In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up browser notifications in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have desktop alerts for the updates that matter without getting overwhelmed by noise. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base, where you see your tools and recent activity. Starting from the dashboard keeps you oriented and ensures you're in the right account and workspace before changing any preferences. From there, head into your settings. Look for the gear icon in the main navigation bar. Inside settings, open your user preferences and find the notifications section. This is where HubSpot centralizes how you receive updates across channels like email, mobile, and the one we care about today, browser notifications. Think of this area as your control panel. You decide which events trigger an alert and where those alerts appear. Now, locate the browser option within your notification preferences. You'll see a checkbox or a toggle for browser notifications. Turn that on. When you do, your web browser may prompt you to allow notifications from HubSpot. Click Allow so your device can display alerts. If you don't see a prompt, it may be because you've already made a choice in the past. If notifications still don't appear later, you can revisit your browser's site settings for HubSpot and enable notifications there. With the browser channel enabled, customize the specific types of updates you want. You can choose categories like chat conversations, form submissions, ticket updates, tasks, mentions, and more. Depending on your role, be selective here. Pick the alerts that genuinely need your immediate attention so you stay responsive without being distracted. If you're in sales, you might prioritize task reminders and mentions. If you're in service, you might focus on ticket assignments and status changes. Remember, you can return to this page anytime to fine-tune as your workflow evolves. As you adjust these options, HubSpot will apply your choices for the browser channel, and your preferences are saved as you go. If you use multiple devices or browsers, repeat this enablement on each one where you want desktop alerts, since notification permissions are managed per browser. That's it. Start at your dashboard, open settings and notifications, enable the browser option, and tailor the categories to match your day-to-day work. With that set up, you'll get timely, concise updates right on your desktop, helping you act faster and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit your notification preferences whenever your priorities change.